How to use food to battle stress. Dried apricots. Dried apricots are rich in the magnesium that gets depleted in our bodies when we are stressed. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant and helps reduce heart palpitations. They are also high in vitamin C and fiber to keep your immune system strong when you're feeling stretched thin. Make yourself a healthy dried apricot trail mix and keep it at your desk. Asparagus. Low levels of folic acid can leave you feeling anxious. A cup of asparagus contains 2/3 of your daily value of folic acid. Asparagus is delicious and easy to incorporate into your diet. Roast, steam or grill them and include them as a side dish or eat them alone with some balsamic vinaigrette. Avocados. In addition to providing numerous health benefits, avocados are a great source of B vitamins. We need B vitamins for a healthy brain and nerve cells. They are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that gets depleted in times of stress. Banana. Speaking of potassium, bananas are full of it and can help reduce your blood pressure. They also act as natural beta-adrenergic blockers, which is a kind of drug that is prescribed to people suffering from anxiety. This prevents your adrenaline from skyrocketing, which happens all too often when we are feeling stressed out. To take the bananas for stress argument one step further, they contain B vitamins and tryptophan, a special protein that converts into serotonin. Serotonin equals happiness. If you've got a big presentation coming up, try eating a banana 30 minutes beforehand and see how you feel. Broccoli. Broccoli is chock full of vitamin C, the vitamin we all grew up knowing helps keep us healthy. Vitamin C lowers cortisol levels and is a bona fide stress buster. Blueberries. Blueberries are also full of vitamin C and can help you feel calm throughout the day. They are rich in antioxidants that help us repair and protect our cells. Fermented foods. When you're feeling down, the first place to start is your gut. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, so keeping that in balance may be the true secret to happiness. Beneficial bacteria have a direct effect on your brain chemistry, and fermented foods such as sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, kombucha, and yogurt can help keep your gut bacteria healthy. When stress is high, try having some kind of fermented food with every meal. For me, keeping my gut healthy is as simple as having a spoonful of kraut after I eat. Fish, especially salmon. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids helps keep cortisol and adrenaline from spiking when you're feeling anxious. Eating fish a few times a week also strengthens and protects your heart, which can take a beating during times of high stress. Garlic. Garlic is a restorative herb and can play a crucial role in balancing a stressful life. It protects against many ailments and diseases. and acts as a powerful tonic that reduces fatigue. Our adrenal glands can go into overdrive during times of high stress, and garlic can help reduce the amount of stress hormones produced and increase your energy levels. Green leafy vegetables. In addition to broccoli, kale and spinach are great sources of vitamin C. Leafy greens also contain plenty of magnesium, which can get very depleted when we are stressed. A magnesium deficit in your body can lead to irritability, indigestion, and fatigue. So make sure you're getting your greens in with every meal. They are also high in folate, which helps your body produce mood-boosting neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Yogurt. In addition to being a wonderful probiotic-rich food that improves our digestive health, studies have recently shown that eating yogurt may relieve stress and anxiety by reducing activity in the emotional region in our brain. Try having some yogurt with blueberries, almonds, and chia seeds as an afternoon snack when you feel your energy levels dipping and your stress levels increasing.